Beauties, welcome back to What Karen Loves. So today I'm going to be doing an everyday makeup look, and this is mostly what I use every day when I do my makeup, and some of the techniques are the things I use may be right for me but not be right for you, but most people can use them. So let's get started, shall we? First of all, I usually do a hydration moisturizer on my face because it's so sensitive to everything. So I try to moisturize my skin usually before I do any makeup because I just don't want my skin to be all crazy. So we're gonna do this. If you see me looking up here, that mirror is right here, so sorry about that. If I don't have my contacts in, I still can't see sometimes when I'm doing my makeup, so I have to look at the bigger version of the side of it. So I want one of those makeup vanities, the big lights, but they're very expensive, so hopefully eventually one day, you guys. Do you ever make a weird face when you're doing your foundation or your hydration cream? I feel like I do that every time. Okay. Let's see. Okay. And then I use my e.l.f. Minimal Diffused Primer before I do any makeup to make it last every day if I'm, going out or doing something crazy, especially when it's really hot outside. Gotta make it stay at least looking popping, Most of the time I do everyday makeup. Sometimes I don't use foundation, but today I will be doing that. And I will be just doing my face because my neck is no sense of doing it because it would take forever. And ain't nobody got time for that on an everyday look, okay? So we just gonna do our face because usually, that's what I usually do anyways because my neck's usually it just looks weird for me, and it either feels weird and it itches, and I don't like it. So we're just gonna do what I wanna do every day, okay? So this is what I use for my skin. Is Simply Ageless, a 3-in-1. Hopefully it focuses. Camera issues sometimes, you never know. Alright, now I've been using this little fella. I think he's a duck, so it reminds me of a duck. So we gonna take this little guy. Now remember, I'm doing my techniques, okay? This is what I do every day when I do my makeup. So I'm not a makeup guru or makeup artist or any of that. I enjoy makeup and I love makeup, and I just learned not even 2 years ago, so I'm still kind of learning myself. And I think as I apply it, the more I get to know what I'm doing, right? So I think everyone is different, and that's okay, right? Everyone has different techniques, Everyone wants to apply their makeup in a different way than everyone else. Now usually when I'm doing my eyeshadow, usually I wait to do my foundation, and which I probably should do that. But I'm already doing my forehead, and I just thought of that too. I'm like, oh, I forgot to do that. So usually that's what I do because the stuff gets everywhere on my face other than my eyeballs. So let's continue, shall we? And everyone does these dots, and that's what I usually do. Sometimes I try to just dab it on there, but sometimes it just doesn't want to dab for me. And I feel like that would just take forever. It gets in your skin. I have this little brush that I could use, but I feel like it would take forever before I do it. So, which I don't even know. Most of the stuff is for conquering, and I don't do all that nonsense. I need to get some more normal brushes so I can do normal stuff. I got 2 sets of brushes. These over here are just not what I thought they were when I bought them, and it kind of sucks because, kind of needed some more brushes, so I'm gonna have to go somewhere and get some more brushes. I've seen some cool brushes from Sephora, so I might have to get some from there. Okay. And it goes really good at my skin, so half the time you can't even tell I have it on me because it just matches with my skin. And I want to try some other like foundations, but like I don't know if it'll match with my skin, so I'm hoping eventually I could try some different ones. I've had this one for like ever since I started makeup. So now what I usually do for my bottom underneath my eyes, usually I just kind of just do this. If I can get some out, it's almost empty and then I get some out. And then I take this little guy and I take a little bit of it out, kind of not too much on myself. And then I like blend them. I try to make them not look like a bags, but sometimes, you know. And then for setting powder, I use this little guy right here. And then take my big brush and, you know, just put that everywhere. Apply my makeup on. Okay. Alright. Next is eyeshadow. And I'm going to take my little black book. Y'all see me list some of the stuff I use in my beauty routine, or like beauty things I love. And this little guy is definitely one of them. Hopefully there will be a vlog up soon, so stay tuned. I'm probably going to be doing the latest video into a blog, and then eventually I'll be doing probably like a beauty, like favorite Sephora looks, or Sephora products, I'm to say. So I don't know what color I want to do. I want to kind of do like a summer vibe, but I don't know. I'm thinking about taking this out. That don't drop it right. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can because my camera battery is kind of. I'm gonna take that color. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm pointing at because I don't have anything behind this to tell me what I'm doing. So okay. Excuse me, by the way. It's just one of those days, you guys. I see people doing this all the time, and I never do nothing for me. I just wash my brushes, so it kind of sucks because I know they're already again. Sorry, I have to look when I'm doing this, and I know most people you hold them like this, but I'm so used to doing like this, and it's just a habit for me, so. See, look at it, and it's so gold. I feel like it's like a gold, like, you know, look, it looks pretty cute. Sorry if you see yourself in a mirror, but you know, can you do? Okay. Alright. Which other one do I want to use? Here's it so far. I think I'm gonna go with this like more like goldish color right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but hope you can. Kind of put it in front of my area right here, and you know, don't work out too well sometimes. Here's it so far. I think it looks pretty. I like it. I like it. I hate when you do that, when you forget what color you're doing and like you accidentally touch it. You're like, oh man, I'm gonna like clean off my brush and then. looks pretty. And then I'm going to take some more of the first color I used and then be sure it's more. And then I'm gonna take this little guy again. I do blend them. I forget every color that I want on my eyeball. I think it turned out pretty good, honestly. And what I usually use for makeup wipes is this little guy. Just like a, you know, just one of the things I've been using forever. Okay. This is why I always do my makeup, my eyes before I do my foundation, because it gets everywhere. Now usually I don't do underneath my eye, like right here. I don't do that. I just do my eyes, because I don't feel the need to do all that nonsense. Okay. Next we're gonna be doing some blush. And that's just what I use right here. Is just talking about her. I gotta make sure this is still recording, so let me look to make sure. Alright, it's still recording, so we're gonna try to hurry this up as best as I can. Usually for every day I don't use blush, but like, and usually I can use this blush right here from this little guy, because it's got like a cute like pink look. Sorry if it falls. Okay, I think it looks good. Alright, and then for highlight, I usually do this little guy. And then I'll use my highlighting brush, but usually it doesn't work for me, so I just kind of just take this brush and just take it and then go like this. I tried those highlighting brushes, but like it never works for me, so I just kind of just do my own thing and then just do it as much as you can to get it to, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's pretty there. And this side's always the one I always struggle with, so it never wants to compromise with me. And then sometimes if I'm feeling extra fabulous, I'll put some right there in the corner of my eyeball. Usually I use a brush, but today I'm just going with my fingers because it takes too long for all that nonsense. I gotta make sure this side is extra low. Okay, cool. Because I can't see on that side. Make sure this is still recording. Okay. Alright. That's all I have for you guys today for my everyday makeup look. This is what it looks like. I'm going to try to get extra close as I can. Now, I used this little guy for my eyeshadow. Remember, I used this for, of course, my my highlighter. And this is the blush I used first. And then I used the big guy over there. And this. And then this is what I used. I think it is a great look for every day. I think it is simple. It is easy. I mean, it doesn't take too much to do. It's quick, it's easy, and all that stuff. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out all the stuff down below in the description below, and check out the eye. My main channel is always there, and also in the description below. That's all I have for you guys today. Comment down below what would you like to see soon for What Karen Loves, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. XOXO. That's all.